entire store 25% off this stuff, man. This would definitely be a good time to come through. $52, 25% off of that. Got more Chicago Bulls stuff over here. Mitchell & Ness shorts. What are these going for? 95 with 25% off. We got the East and West on there. We definitely seen these around a lot of times. Hats here. Laker or Dodger fitted hats, 47 bucks. Clipper hat right here, fitted hat, pretty dope too. Lakers over here too as well. These hats are pretty clean too. $89 here, 20% off of that still. This one, still $110, but at least now you get a little bit cheaper because it's with 20% off. $69 for the Adidas T-Mac. The LeBron T-Mac right here, definitely a dope shoe. $89 on these Ultra Boosts with the 25% off. The Form Lows with the Laker colorways on here, bro. This is definitely not a bad color combination. I feel like this was like a special edition. 79 bucks with the extra 20% off. Right there. That's crazy. So they got retros here, and these are 25% off on these, bro. This is the one, dude. I like this. I'm not gonna buy it today either, though. But I decided not to. I could, but I decided not to. I'm gonna still wait. That's crazy, though, bro. They also got the Vegeta Tans in men's sizes. It's priced at $150, so you take 25% off of this. Definitely a dope thing too. These Laker warm-ups right here, these are on sale too. These are pretty dope. I don't know what the retail tag is. Let's go ahead and see right now. Retail is $95, so you take 25% off of these. Clean colorway. Some Dornbeckers down here on sale. 49 bucks for those. Hirachis for $59. 79 for the black Hirachis. You got these ones for 69 bucks, which I did grab a pair. So this is dope. This has become like an outlet right now until they close the stores, which will be like next week. But there definitely is some pretty dope stuff here. 99 on these, should be a little cheaper than that. Not bad though. Bruce, 89 bucks with the 25% off. Pretty dope colorway for here. Air Max 97s. You guys see what's here. Nothing really new, no new silhouettes, but there is some pretty cool stuff here. More shoes over here on sale. We do have some Jordans, some Jordan mids. Color combination is not bad on this one. 124 with 25% off on that. Then we got these Air Max 90s down to 69 bucks. Last chance, size 4. Maybe this is the only size they have left for this one. Pretty dope shoe though, I'm not gonna lie. Grade school section a little smaller. They do have a couple sales tables here, as you guys can see. So $59 on this, whatever this shoe is right here. Black and white colorway, not bad. I don't know if they have more colorways or Vision Lows, Core Vision Lows. Got something over here too. Never seen this shoe before. $49 for these. These are definitely heavy. Got some heavy weight to them. Maybe you might like them, maybe you might not. $49 over here. Oh, they got a bunch of these, huh? Size 10.5. Okay, they got a pretty good size run over here. They even have a size 13. $49, not too bad of a price point either. Let me scan this for my Amazon shit. Got them in black. Core Visions, $49 for these. They got them in black and white. Then we got some of these over here. NMD R1s, 49 bucks on those. 39 bucks on the XPLRs. 39, 49 on these. NMDs, cheaper than we find them at the regular stores for sure. 49 bucks, you can't go wrong with that at all. Ultra Boost 5.0, 89 bucks. Ultra Boost 5.0, that's not bad at all either. Almost rocking. Got the T-Max over here for 69 bucks. A few sizes left. Got these on deck too. These Lakers shorts, Mitchell & Ness, like these are like the hoochie shorts, the ones that come like way above the knee. Got the Lakers embroidery on there, not too bad. Jordan, Lakers stuff here, normally 35 bucks, but you take 25% off of that. Pretty clean right there. Pretty good selection of merch here. Definitely should consider coming here if you guys are looking for some steals. This store will be open till like Monday or Tuesday. I'm in Echo Park, so get over here if you guys are looking for it, you dig?
Oh yeah, look.
Oh wow. Oh, move them out the sun. Yeah, move them out the sun. It's the undefeated warehouse situation going on. Line's pretty crazy. We were gonna stop by here, but the line's just been too ridiculous.
We'll come back later.
Yeah, see what's up with the undefeated stuff. Everybody here with the little undefeated gear. These are the type of people that a little annoy me low-key in the sneaker world. I'm not gonna lie, bro. A lot of the hype beasts, it's a little annoying, bro. It's like a follower crowd. Like everybody wants to do what everybody else is doing, and they think they're cooler than other people. It's like the who's at the cool table type of crowd. Like I feel like that's what undefeated gives me. Like that vibe. We're the cool people. You guys can't be over here. We do this. Like nigga, it's merchandise that everybody can make or get. Your stuff is not the end all be all. And just because you find shit at Undefeated or you shop at Undefeated all the time doesn't mean you're exclusive or you're somebody special. I really get that vibe from the Undefeated crowd all the time, bro. It's kind of crazy. Look at this jersey, bro. 29 bucks for 150. These are definitely clean, bro. These are clean right here, bro. 29 bucks. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco here. What city are we in? Where we at?
Huntington Park.
Huntington Park. Got the man, Cool Kicks in the building. We're about to go check out this WSS. I don't believe I've been to this location. You know, WSS be hit or miss, but they do have a really good clearance section in the back wall, as people have been showing in the discourse and I talked about in the video. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So we got some Luka 2s in the building. 89 bucks, still full retail. Jordan 37s. Lows, we got the Giannis's. These are kid sizes, I think. 7, 9. So these are actually men's sizes right here. Pretty good selection of Jordans. Westbrook, why not? 4. LeBron Witnesses. Look at this. This is actually a superstar shoe right here. Jason Tatum, the pink lemonade. 120 on the retail. Definitely a dope shoe. And the colorway is on point here. Give me your overall thoughts on these Jason Tatum ones. Are you guys a fan of these or not? The Luka 2s, which is definitely a dope shoe. I like this colorway. 120 on the retail. When I do see this on sale, I will have to grab a pair. Hopefully it's this colorway I can find in a size 13. Somebody out there see them in the outlets. Let me know if you find a size 13. Of the LeBron Witness or the LeBron NXXT, the next gen. 160 on the retail for these. Then they also have the Answer DMX. Definitely a fire situation. Not bad. What do you think about these? Seen this Jordan 37 low at Ross for 69 bucks. They have them here full retail for 149. The LaMelo Puma Court Rider. First time seeing it, especially in this color combination. Vogue green. Never seen these before. Let me know what you guys think about this Melo shoe right here. All of the budget model shoes for Nike and Adidas, the Giannis Immortality 3, have a review on my channel talking about this silhouette. 2 dope colorways of the Trey Unlimited. I definitely like this one a little bit more. I do own a colorway. Have not been able to find this one in my size. Maybe I'll swap it out at some point. But the Trey Unlimited is definitely a dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think. More budget models. Now this is the KD Trey 510. This is definitely a colorway I have yet to see. This red on red with the white, not too bad. Both of these colorways of the KD Trey 510 is on point. Of the 2 colorways, which one do you guys like more? This black one is not bad. Black white with the gray. KD's budget model as well. Great for hooping. I'm telling you, man, the Nike Precision, this colorway, this colorway, the Nike Precision 6 is on point. I like this one. What do you guys think about it? It is here on sale for another colorway of the Nike Precision 6. This one's not bad at all. I like the color combination on this Puma suede. That green is definitely on point. I don't know if these are for sale. SC hat. Pretty dope situation. New colorways of the top 10. All of these are pretty dope. Seen these red ones before. The black one, of course. This green one, color combination is not bad on these. Only 79 bucks, normally $100 retail. And then they got this gray one here, gray black with the cell midsole. Definitely not mad at these at all. Let me know your thoughts. A lot of Adidas here that are definitely on point. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Color combination on this Form Low is on point. We definitely seen this before. $60 in the retail. You don't see this one too often. This colorway is on point though. These Superstars, gray, black, and white. Materials on here is definitely on point. 110 on the retail. WSS has a great selection of shoes, Nikes, Jordans. They got the signature shoes as well as budget models, which is definitely dope. Let's see what else is in this store. We still have to go check out the clearance section too. Look at this new Adidas G1, the NMD G1, 120 on the retail. This color combination is not bad. I like the way the material looks here. These are pretty dope. I'm a fan. First ones before. I like the color combination here. Materials on these are not too bad either. What do you think about these? And they got some Jordan boxes here. Black, fire red, and white. University blue, black, and white. Air Force Ones, Jordan 6 rings. Black, fire red, and white. Jordan 1 low. University blue, black, and white. Also those, okay, so we know what those are. No need to pull them out the box, right? Jordan mids, they might have the Palomino mids. I assume that's what this colorway is. And then what's this one? Same thing. More Palomino mids there. Oh, they keep coming out with more and more classic colorways of the Jordan Jumpman Team 1, aka Eddie Jones. Definitely a fire shoe, classic fire shoe. Not enough to grab for the $145 price point. Just dope to grab for the nostalgia feel. Pretty solid hat selection here at WSS always. Some things are on sale, some things aren't. It's depending on what you're looking for. They got snapbacks here too. Washington Nationals, I never seen this colorway before. It's a snapback, Nikes, Yankees hats. Let me know if you guys see something you like. More of their hat selection, Rams, Raiders. You got Clippers even, showing some Clipper love right here. Shout out to the Clippers out there doing their thing. Hopefully they do good this season. Better than last year at least. This colorway is not too bad on the hat though. Lakers hats. We're kind of spoiled with the hats. We like the hats with the extra stuff going on here. You know what I mean? And of course, I'm more of a fan of snapbacks than fitteds. People have asked me why do I like snapbacks more than fitteds? Just because my hair adjusts. Sometimes it goes longer and shorter. And with a snapback or with a fitted, you can only wear it when your hair is a certain way. You know what I mean? I got my Adidas Gill Zero Resto Mods on right now, the Hibachi colorway. Definitely a fire shoe, love these. Still here at WSS, Hirachi runs. This colorway we have seen before. Trying to see if we can find some other colorways we haven't seen. Definitely on point, and when they come in a colorway that I like, I will have to pick up a pair. What do you guys think about the Hirachi runs in the comments below? So this WSS actually has an upstairs. So we're gonna go upstairs. This is where all the discount is. Let's go ahead and see what this area looks like. As soon as you walk in, you got some Hirachis right here. Don't know how much they're going for. Size 9.5 for 59 bucks. That's pretty dope. Got the comforts down here. So everything here is just discounted, which is dope, man. Go into a box, you never know what you find. Air Max 90s. What Jordan is this? Jordan 11 Low IE for $139. This is dope, bruh. Still around the price point of what we're seeing in my other places, but that's crazy. $139 here. Like what I'm seeing. Got some more stuff over here in these boxes too. Crazy. Yeah, sir. Jordan 6s. Pretty clean. See what the hell's over here. Crazy fast. Alright. I like this. They just got stuff just sitting out, come through, foam runners, you know what I'm saying? Just come through and look out and see what's here. So now we're at the back wall upstairs in this WSS location. Reebok Classics, Air Max 90. Okay. We do have a retro here at WSS, the Jordan 14. I forgot what these are called. $149 as opposed to $179 on these. Pretty clean. They got a couple pair of those Jordans. Okay, so we got some washed blacks here too. Full box and everything. I don't know how much you're going for. Maybe these guys are retail. Maybe these guys are retail here, but they had a whole size with the box on the back wall. What could these be going for? Size 6Y? Definitely dope right there. Yeah, that's dope to see. They got the extra laces and the sticker that comes with the grade school. The whole box on display, bro. That's crazy. Put that right back there. That's a come up. That's an outlet find. I don't know what the retail is on them, but that's dope. These Air Max 90s are definitely on point and do have a little resale value to them too. But the platforms that I'm using, I need the full box. I could sell them on my website, but I need them to be cheaper than 89 bucks. Presto's here 99. More Air Max 90s. Presto size 10 for 99 bucks. That definitely needs to be cheaper. Look at these New Balances. The materials on here is not bad. It's for the women, but the texture on that upper looks pretty dope. Retro for the grade school, size 2 on those. So we got Luca Safaris, 59 bucks for grade school. The other colorway, $59 too. Iverson Kobe's, 79, size 5, so another grade school size or just a smaller size. We saw those at the last trip to WSS, bigger size right here. Well, this is size 6, so maybe this is also a size 6. More Lucas. Then we got the Iversons, 99 bucks, 7.5 wide for those. KD Tray 510s. We got these Shacks, which we saw before too, probably same size, 8. Yep, 99 bucks. Ultra Boost right here too. Not a bad colorway. $69 on these Ultra Boosts. Size 8.5. 2 other Iversons. We got the Denver Nuggets one, as well as this Iverson DMX. These blue Huaraches, 89 bucks. They still taxing a little bit. Their prices is low, but not as low as we've seen them other spots. T-Max, 39 bucks. I guess this is a size 7 on these. Yeah, size 7. Kind of USA vibes as we're getting ready for some more USA basketball. Not a bad shoe. Very classic T-Mac if you ask me. More Shacks here, size 8. We got the Trae Young 2s here for 59 bucks. I'm telling you, this back wall is pretty interesting. WSS's back wall is definitely on point. You just gotta sift through the stuff, but it's definitely worth considering shopping at. This Luka colorway, size 7.5 for 89 bucks. Then we got some of the same things we've seen, the Prestos, Huaraches, we got Immortalities, new colorway right here. Pretty popping, bro. This Presto, definitely check it out. 11 low, IE low, 9.5. Another one once again. Definitely dope to see that there. Got Curry's. What else do we have here? KD Tray 5. Just looking to see if we have something I hadn't seen before. $89 on these Huaraches. Definitely a dope colorway. Curry's down there too. Air Max 90s. What are these down here, these Vans? 39 bucks, size 9.5 for those. Now we got the bigger sizes of the Lucas, size 10 for 89 bucks. So we got some Lucas on sale, like men's sizes. This one too. Zions. Yeah, so it's a good selection. We got some LeBrons here too. 89 bucks on the LeBron 19s. Reebok's Classic colorway, not too bad on those, 39 bucks. Towards the end of the wall here, just to see what else we got. Look at these. Pegasus 38 for 59 bucks, size 12. This is actually not a bad price or size for this, for the Pegasus 12. Shout out to all the Pegasus 38, but size 12 on those. Iverson's down here too as well. But this colorway is just definitely on point. Not mad at these. But that's kind of it, bro. Let's go get on out of here. Through these bins on some of the things they have on discount. Look at this hat. No price tag on it though. It is a new era adjustable. This is definitely some summertime vibes, bro. How much is that hat? I got another one here. It's a trucker hat. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. If this was like $5, I might fuck with that. Reeboks, some Reeboks Classics. Not a bad color combination on these. Then they got the Luka one just chilling up there too.